Hey YouTube, it's your girl She the One, and I am back. I am back. Well, I've been up here for a little minute. I'm at the casino. I know I told you guys that I would be coming up here, but you see, and it was coming down. I came through in the blizzard. So I'm in my room. I just came back from, my favorite place. I'm here by myself. Preemie isn't here. Bae's not here. I just left my favorite store. We'll do that later. I'm about to go get something to eat and play a couple of games. I got my microwave, my fridge, clothes in there. I set up a little bit in here, So, I was in coach for quite a bit of time. I was trying to find something, but I got a pocketbook because I have a black Coach bag, a small one, because I like the crossbodies. But it's really it's like tight. So I got a tabby. It's black. It just gives me a little bit more space in the bag, and then I don't need a wallet in it because it got the the credit card holders already built in the bag, and then it got a zipper part on the inside so I could secure my funds, real convenient for the casino. Then I got me some black Coach slides, but with the C's on it, like smoky gray and black or whatever. And then I got some pink ones with some darker pink in the C's, and I don't know if Pooh like there's a wallet down there. But see, I'm gonna have to get her the pocketbook to match the wallet because the pocketbook I already got her. That don't match it, so. Anywho, I'm about to go downstairs. I haven't played yet. I really want to take me a nice little nap, but I want to eat something. Look at my hair looking like electricity. Ooh. Have a good one. So I was gonna go on the earth side, but I wanted to drop my bag off, and then I went to the little, what's called the craftster over there, and got me my carrot cake cupcake. So delicious. I've showed it to you guys before, but I don't know how many. I'll show it to you when I get back up. But that store over there, the Craftster. Yeah, right there with the white letters. So, yeah. I said I was gonna do TikTok live. I don't think I'm gonna do it right now. Oh, fit of the day. Got my new sneakers on. Well, my first time wearing. Sneakers and the pocketbook. And I got the wallet as well. And so, I'm gonna go to VIP lounge and eat. It's like the buffet. I'm gonna walk through first and see if any of the new games that I saw on YouTube, because I be watching big time slot players and slot players such as myself on YouTube. So there's a few games I saw up there that I haven't seen before that I want to see if they have. I want to try my luck at it. I'm at triple status today, so got to get my points up. So I'm gonna try to stay on the game at least an hour. So I'm gonna go this way down the escalator because the stairs that way, or I can go down the escalator this way. I think I'm gonna do the escalator. I haven't seen Richard in months. That's my boy. Let's see if I see it. He was working this part last time that I saw him. So yeah, we're gonna look around a little bit, and then I'm gonna eat. I smell, I don't know if that's Johnny Rockets or the VIP. I don't know what that. I hope it's something good. I took my insulin already, so. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's Wizard of Oz. I thought I saw something else over there. But anyway, we're gonna see. I'll go take me a nice nap, get in the bed, get on that heating pad, and probably come down. Whenever I get up, I'll lounge as long as I want to. Excuse me. And try to get me some points. Oh, what game is that over there? Oh my God. Check places. Okay. I'll go around this way and then I'll go up in the loft, and then I'll walk down, go through, peek around. Oh yeah, I played this game I think last time I was here, but I played it on the other side near the poker room, this game. So wasn't too bad. Let's see what else they got going on. See if I see anything new. Oh no, that's the prosperity one. That one. I've played her before. What's this? Something turtle. I don't know if I've ever played that. Everlasting turtle. What's this over here? I don't think I played this either. Okay, we'll come back to that. What's this game? I don't know if I've ever played that. I did good on this game last time I played it here. How you doing? Step Trip. I think I've seen this before. What's this one? Did I play this before? I'm feeling like I played this, but I'm not sure. Oh yeah, I did. The drums. Yeah. The drums right there. And have I played this? I'm not sure. Oh, I think I have. The pigs. Oh, they took out my other game I like over here, the dollar store. Oh, there go my, I've been loving this, Wheel of Fortune right here. I played this one last time. Oh, wait. Which one is this? I've seen a couple of train. Yeah, I've seen that one. Oh, another train, Jackpot Express. Okay. Let me go over here and check in. Let me check in on the check in. Oh, I gotta start all over. See, I got my 800 rewards. Choice credits, that's sort of like cash. You buy stuff. I only got 878. I got 679 points. I need to get to 1400 to stay at this level. And I only have till April 1st to do it. So it's triple status. Let me see promotions. Oh, that's the lowest thing. How many? I only did this a couple of times. See, I only got 4 entries. And here, choice credits, because it's a new month, even though it's the 18th. Oh. Okay, this tell me what my offers are. I got $60 free slot play. The 20th, so that's Tuesday to the 22nd, and on 23rd, and on the 25th, and on the 30th. Achievement award. Let me see how many achievement award. I gotta get 420. That's too much. Oh, choice credits. Let's see. Just because I could buy free slot play. I'm going to show you when I tell you it's like money, 800, but like when you buy like free slot play and stuff, it's like double. Okay, come on. It's not going off. I want to show y'all the choice credit thing so y'all can see. I'm about to get aggravated and just go show y'all another time. I'm going to say, no, I don't need no more time. Nope, see? Then it went out. Okay, so. Railroad Riches. This the Wheel of Fortune game. I like with the free games and the big money. So, go here and see if there's any other new games that I saw. A spooky link. Of the lion link. Legend, Corn Trio, Phoenix Link, Dragon Link, Fire Link, Dollar Lightning, Hot Pot, Money Mansion. I like the monkeys. They don't have that. Oh, they'll go to Shoot Loot. Buffalo. Some more puff. I'm gonna go get something to eat. Then we'll come come back because I'm right here. Did I? Oh man, I didn't even look. I have to go get me a card. I don't think. Let me just double check real quick. Let's see. I'm not feeling that. I'm not feeling that. Oh, I know where it's at. It's in my I got one right here. Yeah, it's upstairs. I'm gonna have to go get me one. I'm gonna get two. Then I'll come back and I'll eat. So I can have it. Put this in my pocket. Alright, let me go get it. Oh. You see how bad I am? I'm about to walk right away from the phone. If I wasn't still talking to y'all, it would have been left. Still repping my Cowboys. I don't care. So what y'all doing on this good Sunday? The game should still be on by the time I go back upstairs. So I'll get comfortable, lay down, watch the game. See, I'm going the wrong way. I'm going past it. I'm doing too much piggy banking. Ooh, excuse me. I didn't even look for Richard. Let me get right here. Oh, she was with him. Hi. Can I get 2 cards, please? Yeah.